In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a status in ClickUp. Updating a task's status is one of the simplest ways to keep your work organized and your team aligned, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along with confidence. First, head to the ClickUp website and sign in. Enter the email associated with your account, then your password, and select Log In. A quick tip here. Double-check that Caps Lock isn't on to avoid any login hiccups. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard and home view, where you can see recent tasks, documents, and notifications. Next, look to the left sidebar of your workspace. From here, go to Your Team Space and open the Overview area. Select the specific space you want to work on, so we're focusing in the right place. Now, switch to List. This view lays out your tasks in a clean, scannable list, which makes status changes quick and easy. Let's add a new task so you can see the full flow. Click Add Task, give it a clear, action-oriented name, and click Save. To set the status right from the list, click the small circle to the left of your new task. This opens the status picker. Choose In Progress. That's it. You've just updated the status. This tiny action tells your team exactly where the work stands, helping everyone prioritize and track progress without extra meetings or messages. Let's do one more, using the task window so you know both options. Add another task and save it. Now click on the task name to open its details in a new window. At the top, you'll see the status control with a checkmark icon. Click the checkmark and select Complete. The task is now marked as finished, and it will reflect across your views, reports, and automations. A couple of helpful notes as you work. Statuses in ClickUp are customizable by your workspace admins, so the exact labels you see, like To Do, In Progress, or Complete, may vary. The process for changing them, though, is the same. Keeping statuses current makes your workload visible, supports accurate timelines, and reduces back and forth for your team. And that's how you change a status in ClickUp, from the list view with the status circle or inside the task window with the check mark. You're all set. If you found this helpful, hit like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a beat. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.